Alright, well, today isn't as bad as it was yesterday. Still friggin' cold, but not as bad. Could be worse. Could be much worse. We had, what was it, 58, it was either 58 or 42 centimeters, and the lowest temperature we had in the last 2 days was minus 42. Holy crap. So, yeah, well, here we are, the day after the big blizzard. Took 2 of us shoveling about an hour to dig ourselves out, roughly. Which, to some people, oh, that's not too bad at all. Well, oh crap, I'm glad I have good traction. It may be true that that's not too bad, like taking an hour. But if you think about it, holy smack, that was a lot of snow. We were just talking, we can only imagine how bad the little animals outside must have it. Or the animals at the zoo. Oh, I feel bad for them. Oh well, oh well. What are you gonna do? Whine, snivel, and complain. That's my theory. It'll work. So now I'm just gonna drive around a little bit for free. And yeah, the current temperature from inside my car without the wind is minus 25. That's what my gauge is telling me right now. However, if you add in the wind chill right now, it's a lot colder than that. Of course. But of course. Now I'm just going to stop for a moment and take a couple pictures.